Hi, this is Amit. Welcome to the ASUS ProArt stand. This is our first time at the photography show, and I'll be delighted to take you around and show you some of the incredible devices we have on show. So one of the first devices that I wanted to take you through is our flagship, our ProArt Studiobook right here. It comes with a 4K OLED panel, and when it comes to ProArt, what ASUS have done here is they've really listened to what creative professionals need in a laptop. So the ProArt Studiobook right here has got a unique feature called the control dial. Let me take you through how that works. So the control dial, which you can see on the laptop right here, is a physical button that you can customize what the function is based on what application you have open. So for example, at the moment I have Lightroom Classic open, and traditionally, when you're editing images in Lightroom, you would use the sliders on the right-hand side to adjust your highlights, shadows, exposure, etc. But with the magic of the control dial, what you can now do is take your image full screen and use the dial to make the adjustments. Let me show you how that works. So what we'll do first of all is we're going to take our image full screen, just like so. Now, if I press the control dial in, you'll get this little pop-up window, but as I circle through, you can see all of the different settings that I've got programmed in. Now the great thing with the control dial is that you can fully customize it based on what functions you want and what you use. So imagine scrubbing through your timeline on Adobe Premiere or adjusting the size of the brush in something like Photoshop. Coming up next, this is one of my favorite devices. It is of course the Zenbook Pro Duo. And this is one of the only laptops that you'll see with two monitors. That's right. So as far as Windows is concerned, this laptop has got two screens attached to it. And you can use this in a whole host of ways. It's fantastic for multitasking because it means you can have multiple applications open at the same time. You can also use the included pen on the both screens, which are also touchscreen. And with the pen, it's going to give you that 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. So perfect for creative apps. Now, what I want to show you is how this works with something called the control panel. Okay, control panel is something that we built with Adobe alongside their creative suite of apps. So I'm going to open up Lightroom now. So when you are in a creative app like Lightroom, what you'll see on the bottom screen is the control panel. So much like I showed you with the Studiobook where you've got the dial, now you've got a virtual set of buttons, sliders, and wheels on the lower screen to make your adjustments. So again, you can zoom right into your image, go full screen, get rid of all of the menus and sliders, and then edit just like that. It's an incredible way of working, and because you can customize that set of controls based on what you use, it just makes it that much more enjoyable to edit. So think about having things like Adobe's Premiere. You could perhaps put the timeline on the bottom screen and then do your cutting and your adjustments on the top screen. It's a really great way of working. It's one of my favorite devices that ASUS makes. One of the things ASUS are known for is their incredible displays, and we'll come on to monitors shortly. But in this laptop that you're looking at right now, this is the Zenbook Pro. And just like all the other laptops that I've shown you, it comes with a 4K OLED panel. It's also Pantone validated and comes with a full 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. These monitors are incredibly bright, and trust me, editing in OLED is incredible in its terms of its experience. Less blue light makes it more comfortable to view for longer periods of time, and because of the OLED panel, you get better blacks and better colors. You're really able to pull out all that extra detail in your content. One other trick that the Zenbook Pro's also got is something called Numberpad. Let me show you. At the moment, the laptop looks like it's got a normal trackpad, but with a touch of this button here, we can turn on the LED panel underneath, and now you've got a number pad. So if you're running apps like Excel and your calculator doing lots of data entry, this is going to be really great for those people who want a full-size keyboard but still want a slightly more compact laptop. And Numberpad's a great technology that's patented by ASUS. You won't see it on anything else. Let me show you how that works in something like the calculator app. And you can see I'm still using the trackpad as a normal mouse, because even with the Numberpad switched on, it knows intelligently whether you're tapping a button or using it as a regular mouse. And you can still pinch and zoom and scroll and use all the Windows gestures as well.